Hello everyone, in today's video we will solve get aHEAD PicoCTF. So let's start. First launch instance, then copy the link here and open your Burp Suite. Then open browser. Here go to the website and now turn the intercept on. Then click on those buttons, first this and then this. So you can see for the red one, you can see it's a get request, and for the blue it's a post request. So send this get request to repeater. Then what we will do, we will modify this get request to find the flag. So here remove this part and write flag.txt, then send it, and here is the flag. Copy this and submit the flag here. So it's done. Thanks for watching.